Hello, Sami.
Hello, sir.
What is your name?
My name is Sami Kundal.
Do you know your first name?
My first name is Sami.
Do you have any surname?
My surname is Kundal.
How old are you? How old are you?
Life.
I am 7 years.
I am 7 years old.
Which class do you read in?
I read in class 3.
What is your father's name?
My father's name is Vaisali Mundal.
What is your mother's name?
My mother name is Samir Mundal.
What is your date of birth?
My date of birth is 13/5/2018.
Where do you live in?
I live in Chatla.
Can you tell me your address? My address is
My address is
Village
Village Chakra, Village Chakra, Post Chakra Maldari, Police Station Joynagar, District House of this Parana, 3
What is your nationality? I am an
I am an
Indian.
Indian.
Which state do you live in? I live in West Bengal.
West Bengal.
Thank you. What is your favorite color?
My favorite color red.
What is your favorite game?
My favorite game is football.
Who is your favorite player?
My favorite player is Lion.
Which fruit do you like most?
I like most mango.
Thank you, Sami.